Hi friend, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to experiment. We are going to repair this common problem that we always encounter with these small phones, the charging error issue. So this morning in this video we are going to make some things, how to change the IC, how to change it. So in this video just follow the simple steps on how to change it. So it is a common problem with these little phones, so they always display charging error whenever you use a bigger charger to charge them. So we'll do some things here, so just follow. You just have to remove the IC and get it back from the old phones, those phones that are not good, old panels. So it is very common, you can get it around, so you just swap it back to each other. So thanks. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So always apply your soldering forks, is very important. Make sure you do not hit the board too much so that you do not get damage, and also ensure you have your picker around, your soldering iron. So though we are not going to need any soldering iron with this work, so always bear in mind that you should not allow the heater to heat too much. 300 degrees is okay, so remove it. As you remove it, so that is the same way you are going to put it back. So remember to check the polarities. As you remove, you also replace it back. It is very easy. So you can also share the video, you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.